All right, guys, thanks so much. Yeah, WPP Energy, we mentioned late in the day yesterday. If you joined us yesterday afternoon with news out regarding some cryptocurrency and NFT news with a platform that we're going to talk about. Troy MacDonald joining us, COO and CIO of WPP Energy. It's great to see you, Troy. Thanks for jumping on with us today to discuss this news that we mentioned yesterday. It's pretty exciting. Moving into the crypto space along with NFT. Tell us about first off, the shift and also a little bit about WPP Energy.
Sure, very happy to. Nice to be with you today. So us at the WPP Energy, we decided to shift into the blockchain sector several years ago, actually. And the point is we want to distribute our technologies more broadly. So to date, WPP Energy has been focusing on waste-to-energy technologies and a very important new green hydrogen production technology. And we've decided to create a blockchain-based marketplace, which will allow us to distribute the technology better throughout the world. And we'll be distributing technology licenses through NFTs. And we think this is one of the best use cases of NFTs in the world, exclusive territorial and exclusive industry licenses. And we're actually going to be creating a subclass of tokens under each NFT, which will allow the market to fractionally own and participate in the NFT. And the NFTs will be cash flow NFTs. So license fees will be paid out, will be collected and paid out to various token holders as dividends or as returns. And we'll be doing both project NFTs, we'll be doing vertical market NFTs. And we think, as I said, this is one of the best use cases of NFTs we've ever seen.
And we had a look at the WPP token chart there. So we're going to talk about that in a second. But let's discuss the Hi-Fi platform. Tell everyone about Hi-Fi platform.
Yes, exactly. So the Hi-Fi platform is being created and will be deployed by the end of this year. The NFT tokens themselves will be out on the market by the end of September. The Hi-Fi platform was founded really by WPP's founders, with a few outside investors participating in the platform as well. And that platform will allow for the distribution of the NFTs, and it will also provide a marketplace where renewable energy commodities can be transacted as well. And the NFTs that are transacting, you'll be able to get them by certain geographic territory. So we may offer an NFT for the green hydrogen technology for the entire U.S. market, or the Malaysian market, Singapore, whatever market you want to target. And as well, we may do it for an entire industry, such as the marine or the transportation industry. And we think these exclusive licenses, carry very significant economic value.
So this whole NFT craze that we've seen kind of developing over the past, year or even 2 years now, has primarily been focused around collectibles. We've seen the sports industry kind of take advantage of, the NFTs on the collectible side. This is really the first application that we're seeing, as you mentioned, the licensing being available through NFTs. Talk about the significance of, the shift towards the more business side of the potential, anyways, on the business side when it comes to NFT technology.
I'm happy to talk about the shift, but from our perspective, this is the way we see it. So when we look at NFTs, we see them as, a real business case application. So, if you're going to work on a renewable energy project that could be $1 billion or more, per project, one of the best ways to distribute and populate this technology throughout the world is distribute licenses. Not everyone can afford to buy one of these licenses outright. A license for India could be, for example, over $1 billion. But through the NFT marketplace, we can fractionalize and allow many people to participate in the potential of that license for a particular geographic market or a particular industry vertical. This is how we see it. We don't see it in any other smaller way. We believe this is the way NFTs were supposed to be done.
So when it comes to the technology, you mentioned there's multiple different applications that we're going to see start to develop over time here going forward. Talk a little bit about the collaboration between the stock market and some of this blockchain technology.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're in the stock market because we think this business, this NFT business, and the renewable energy commodity trading business through Hi-Fi Corp is going to be a very big business, potentially quickly. And access to the U.S. Capital markets will help us accelerate our growth. We'll be able to be in many industries at the same time. We can move laterally. We can move from renewable energy into agri-foods, targeting important technologies in agri-foods and bringing them to market, offering NFTs through there and supporting the commodity trading. This is the primary reason why we've decided to make this initiative a public company. Access to the U.S. capital markets and allow many people to participate in the success of the project.
So when it comes to the technology itself, only the beginning. As we said, the Hi-Fi platform announced yesterday, acquired by the company. What are the future plans when it comes to Hi-Fi?
Well, the future plans are to cross into many different industries. So, within renewable energy, we can cross, starting with hydrogen, we can cross into, waste to energy, we can cross into electromagnetic, low energy nuclear reactions, aka cold fusion, wind, solar, geothermal. We can take this platform and cross into many different market verticals or horizontal markets and make each of those. Essentially, we can become a market maker for each important technology that we sign up through NFT agreements. And we think that the platform stands a very good chance of being able to cross from one market to the other. And the Hi-Fi token will be featured as the governance token on those platforms. And we therefore think that Hi-Fi token has a very good future for it as well, as it serves as the governance tokens for each of those different markets as we move horizontally.
Troy MacDonald, COO and CIO of WPP Energy. Exciting news. It's only the beginning, as we said, for this technology in this space. I mean, it's a story that we will and certainly need to follow as things progress. We appreciate your time today and look forward to an update in the future.
Great. Thank you so much. Pleasure to be here.
There we go, guys. An interesting look at a new application for this technology that we've been discussing for so long now, it seems. Back to you.